We are getting into a brand new floor plan that they have just released, and this thing is a special 2026 take on one of our favorite Southgate floor plans of all time. This thing is over 4,200, almost 4,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2 media rooms. Cannot wait to show you. So let's get inside.
Now we've seen this floor plan before, but this is a little bit different.
This is the new 2026 version of the Montgomery.
Yes, so it's a little bit wider and a little bit shorter, which I actually like. You'll notice in the kitchen and kind of throughout the house.
It's the Andy version. A little bit shorter, a little bit wider. But that allows you to have you'll see it when you come in. But look at what I love about this entryway. It's just how expansive it is.
I know.
Right? It's 2 stories all the way through, and you don't have that walkway, that catwalk that kind of separates it, which gives you the sight lines of just this massive volume of space right as you enter this house. It's incredible. We have, again, 3 bedrooms downstairs. Let's go right here.
Aww.
Little baby room.
Yeah.
Huh? I think this is
That's so cute.
pretty nice sitting out here.
But this is a nice room, whether it's a baby room or not.
Correct.
It's a great room. It's a good size.
Obviously, you're going to decorate it and live in it as your life tells you. But it is kind of nice. It's got its own ensuite.
You gotta love an ensuite with this great shower. Beautiful.
How many babies
Need an ensuite?
Need an ensuite?
You know, you never know.
All right, well, let's go check out the other room. On the other side, this has your coat closet. Again, look at the metal rods.
And then
Solid core doors.
another good sized room.
This one, again, has an ensuite walk-in closet and shower. I love how high the ceilings are, too. So you really get, again, that sense of volume.
Look at the wood they use on these cabinets. That's really neat. And then you've got the whole tile all the way up to the top.
So this community is very much a boutique community by Southgate. You're talking 32 homes. And in fact, they're going so quickly, there's only 17 more opportunities outside of the inventory homes, which, again, you'll have to hit that subscribe button, that bell, because we'll be showcasing those when they're a little bit closer to being completed. I'm going to show you the fantastic deals that we can get you on those. But come on through here and look at this.
Yeah, that's a great look. I love the wood up on that ceiling they put up.
Yeah, I mean, we've had several clients that bought or built the older version of this model, which is the Montgomery. Now this is where your entry to your garage is gonna be. So you come in, you've got your mud area, drop your bags, and come through, and then you're greeted by all of this space right here. And look at just how wide it is. It's the simple things that they've done to this floor plan is outstanding. Look at this.
Well, this is a great size office.
You got these nice 3 big windows, and obviously it's an upgraded kind of decorated touch, but you can get these metal iron glass doors, like interior doors like this, for relatively inexpensive, and it makes a huge impact. But that is something that I would do after closing, because we've had clients that have built, and these are the upgraded costs on these can be quite a bit, and you can get them relatively cheap, like on Amazon and stuff like that. Patrice, what do we have right here?
You've got a little bar area.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh,
ice
machine.
maker. Oh, I love ice.
He does. And then I like the floating shelves with the lights underneath. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, this is just a very elegant bar. And what I love about it is its location, right? It's right across from this fantastic media room. And look at the size of this media room. For a downstairs media, this is just uncommonly big.
It really is. What an interesting color too. It's like a purple.
Yeah, no, I like it.
Yeah, never seen that. Oh, Got SpongeBob on. That's fun.
Yeah. You know,
Yes.
it's been years since we've watched SpongeBob.
I know, I know. This is a good sized room though. I kind of like the direction of the couch to the TV. I think that's kind of nice.
And I love how the couch is just all the way. And it's
Yeah.
got those small tables on either side so you can put your drink in. And you've got the ottomans here. I think the layout is pretty cool.
I think so too.
I could picture a lot of family nights sitting right there watching some movies or SpongeBob. All right, now we're getting into the heart of the home, and oh my heart. So what they've done compared to the Montgomery, is they have moved this over a couple more feet, and that gives you all of this space. So you can have multiple people working in this kitchen and not be smacking butts together. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I could be
I think it's great, all this space.
I can be cooking here, you know, someone could be back here. Not a problem whatsoever. Everything is first class. What do you think of the cabinetry? It's kind of that modern, sleek look, but they've got endless amounts of
Options for that,
for you
yeah.
if this is not your style, you know. But I love the windows that they have in these Southgate homes.
Yeah,
in
I've
the
always been a
kitchens.
fan of that too. And then they've done a different cabinet right here, so you can just kind of see an example of another one.
Yeah, and instead of continuing with the counter, right, they just did something completely different to give it kind of that accent. And then you get, look at all the storage you can.
Lots of storage.
I mean, it's a ton of storage. And then you got the microwave right here. Then you've got a Costco approved snack closet.
Check it out. And then you've got a nice sight line from here to the dining room now, since you
Which-
don't have the island blocking it.
Which again is a Southgate staple.
Of
Right?
course.
But Patrice, I have a question before we get into that.
Yes.
Are these considered pendants
Yeah,
or are they considered chandeliers?
I think they're pendants because they're over the counter.
They're so big.
They're really big.
It's awesome look. All right, so let's get into this. You guys know how we feel about these dining spaces in Southgate homes. You've got the window seats that wrap all the way around. Love that. You know, you could support a big round table or rectangle table, however you feel like you want to entertain, but I mean, this is just something else.
Yeah, it's it's a very comfortable space.
I like the waterfall edge that they did here. You know, some people like waterfall edges, some don't. I love them.
And you know what? They added beams in this one too.
Holy
And
beam.
wood.
And look at the ceiling,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
right? It just says, hey, this is a different space. And look at, they have the TV right here, but you can put it over the fireplace if you wanted. This isn't gonna be your main viewing area. This is just kind of where you have the background, where you maybe have the news going, the morning shows, or
I
whatnot.
would not put a TV in here at all.
Yeah,
wouldn't.
or you don't even put a TV in
Yeah.
it because on the other side of that wall, you've got the media room.
Yeah, this is like you sit by the fire and enjoy your evening and don't listen to the hustle and bustle of the outside
Who
world on
wants
TV.
that?
Not me.
Right? I love the fireplace and it's putting out some great heat.
It feels so good today.
It feels so good. Now, you guys have to excuse this. This is a very windy day and we've tried putting these up like 3 different times and the pillows just keep getting knocked over. So we're not gonna go outside because it's windy, but look at that fire feature.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's calling my name right there. I mean, look at the sliders. You can put the sliding
Screen.
screens down, and so, or not the sliding screens, just electric screens. Laundry area,
Oh, this is nice. Wow.
and then you've got the powder bath.
Oh,
Right
I
here.
like that. Off the patio. I love when they put the lights underneath there. I think that's so nice.
Yeah, that floating shelf or cabinetry. And then look at this. They carried the same wood roof and beams into the primary. And then you've got your window seat right here, but look at the size of this room. I will say with the darker tone wood slats ceiling, it does bring it down.
It does bring it down.
It makes it feel
Cozy.
cozier than it would be if it was just white or whatever. But really, really good size. This is an oversized room for sure.
So now let's go check out that ensuite.
Okay. Well, Patrice, you know that if this is a Southgate home, you're gonna have my favorite feature, which is car wash shower. But before we get into there, look at how they've done this.
I love that cabinet, and I love how thick that countertop is. So nice.
So generally what they do is it's just one big thing, and then they have kind of a centerpiece here
That sits on the counter.
that sits on top of the counter, but they've separated it so you get the feel of split vanities.
And it's got like drawers inside it. That's pretty cool. too.
Yeah, I mean, this is a really cool thing. Look at it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
you can put a lot of storage in there.
And then a good sized bathtub.
And then you step on down into your car wash shower. I like how they hide the niche right here, and then they do not have the rain head.
Yeah, but I like the placement of the handles here to turn it on and off.
Yeah,
I think that's a good spot.
So you wait for it to get warmed up. You don't have to get all wet.
Yeah, this is a great bathroom as usual. I mean, it's Southgate. They know how to do their bathrooms. And then here's one of the closets.
Yeah, you do have two closets in this, Patrice, because this is the 2026 version, right? Before in the Montgomery, you would have just one single closet, but because they made it a little bit wider, it allows for more space for your closets. Shall we go upstairs and check out what's going on up there?
Definitely.
All right.
All right, Andy. So we've already got another bar area.
Oh, how envious I am to have two bars. This is fantastic. I mean, this is an entertainer's home for sure.
Yeah, let me come around. I'm going to show the bar from this angle so you can see. Here's the bar top, and then this little space. It's very cool.
Sitting here getting you a nice cocktail.
Now, the funny thing is, everybody, we really do not drink that often. So you would think we did a lot by...
It's the idea.
I know.
And look at this card table.
Now that is something we do often, which
Yeah,
is
we
play
do
cards.
this
Yeah.
weekly.
So, and then they did the beams and the wood again up here.
Yeah, and it brings it down, but yet it feels very comfortable.
It's really nice. It's a great, ooh, I see some fun stuff back there too. And the nice thing is even though you've got, you know, the open railing over there, you're not right under your family room.
No, you're not going to have that noise pollution.
Yeah.
Who cares? I mean, you would if you're working.
Now look at this. Look at this. This is a second media room, really, but they've turned it into a gym.
Yeah, they like to do that.
Yeah. They're saying, hint, hint, Andy,
Yeah.
Patrice.
Andy, it's time to hit the gym.
They did put a TV in here for you, so you can work out and watch TV. I like it.
Okay. The pressure's on. I'm running out of excuses.
Let's go check this area out. You've got this nice little kind of tucked away desk area, which is great for kids and stuff, but I really would enjoy this space myself right here.
I mean, if you needed a second workspace.
That's great. And then you've got this bedroom, which is really, really good sized.
It is. And then it has its own ensuite with a bathtub and a walk-in closet. But look at the size of this thing. It's big.
All right. So we have one more bedroom.
We have one more bedroom, and this is going to be the bathroom that's going to support this bedroom.
And also the guest bath.
As well as the
if
guest.
they're playing up here in the game room.
Yep. And then you've got a walk-in closet over there that we've seen on all the other ones. And then again, really good sized room.
There's no floor plans of Southgate that I absolutely don't like.
No. I mean, Southgate, like I said, is one of our favorite builders. You know, I've said it several different times. They are right up there with Highland Homes. It really just depends on your, where the location that you want to be in. But these are two top tier builders that we would absolutely move into ourselves in a heartbeat. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of this new floor plan. If you've seen a fan of our channel, you know how we feel about the Montgomery. This is just a little different version of it. It's like the 2026 version of that Montgomery. I absolutely love this floor plan, but I'm curious what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. We're doing 3 videos a week now. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know. That just encourages us to keep going. And if you have any Dallas real estate needs in 2026, make sure you hit that dream home form in the comments below. And until next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.